Hey, welcome back to the Dirt. I'm your host, Dan, and today we're going to talk about the Mikasa MTX60 HD by Multiquip. Most commonly known by people in construction and landscaping by either a rammer or a jumping jack. This is a 4-stroke Honda GTX100 engine in this. Pad on this is 10.4 inches wide and 13.4 inches long. Weighs in at 141 pounds. The pad on this can actually be changed out to get to a narrow pad. Either put a steel one or a wood one on there, depending if you have a narrow or what you need, what you're packing to get away from that bigger one. Obviously the detent control, we're at stop here. It's nice and pretty much almost locks. You go forward, now we're on, and our low, that's where we want to be at when we start it. Really easy to push all the way back. We're at full RPM. Go back forward to low, and past that to our stop, which will also shut off our fuel. The gas cap is right closer, right beside it on top. 2.7 gallon gas tank. Right below that would be in your eyesight, would be your digital tachometer / hour meter, so you can keep track of everything. It also shows you there, we're from 2000 to 4100 RPM. As we're sitting at our station, we come back down, we have our fuel filter, and back in here, kind of a little bit out of the way, there is your choke is here. And then you also have your primer bubble here. So you can turn your choke on, obviously hit your primer bubble till you see gas in that. You can step back, use your recoil, get her started, turn your choke off, and you are good to go. The rammer will beat up to 695 times per minute at 4,100 RPMs. If you're kind of pushing along with it, full travel speed, you'll go almost 60 feet per minute. Obviously you want to stay in the same spot you can, but it will move quite fast as you're going along. The good part about that, they have this really nice anti-vibration handle on there. Keeps it away, rattling your teeth, shaking you all around. So the machine's doing all the work and not putting any force on you. Nice, easy roller. We're loading it in the back of your truck on there with a nice handle at the bottom so you can grab, put it on your tailgate, slide it inside. There's some very nice, hard PVC plastic on the sides around it to protect the engine and the components, so when you throw it in your truck or something hits it or it falls over, it protects it. So come back up top here and we'll show off the anti-vibration handle, how easy it moves, which you want to have obviously when the machine is going full speed at 4,100 RPMs. Up top here, nice easy handle. You got to put your strap to it. You need to pick it up from your excavator or backhoe loader so you can move it around the job site. Coming forward to see how easy that spins on front. So when you're putting it on the tailgate of your truck to load in the back, one person can do it quite simple. You'll see on the side here we have a nice sticker. It says a 3-year warranty. The rammer itself has a 3-year parts and labor warranty. The shoe only has a 1-year parts and labor on it, but still 3 years on all that. Really nice to have. It keeps nice peace of mind because you know you'll be beating the heck out of it. A lot of times you throw this in your truck, it's going to want to roll on your side. Back in the day, you could never put them on your side because your carburetor would leak. This actually has a diaphragm carburetor on it, so if you would want to lay it on your side, you can, and it will not leak out. On the top side, we have our gas tank. We actually have a digital readout here, which is for your RPMs and your hours, which is nice to keep track of maintenance on it. Very easy detent throttle on here, from off to on, and then running your throttle all the way up to 4,100 RPMs. Coming down the side here, right behind our nice PVC plastic, there is your choke and also a primer bubble. Easy to start, easy to use, quite lightweight for one guy actually to load up. Just to show you how easy that is to maneuver. Obviously we're not putting it in the back of the truck, but just setting it down, being only 140 pounds, sets down nice and easy. Grab your handle and it will roll quite easy. So you get that in the back of your tailgate, pick it up, lift it, she rolls right on in there, set her down, you're good to go. Vice versa, pull her out, lifts up, go through your steps to start it, off to work you go. So we move our way down the rammer. If we come down here, obviously back where we have our main usage, our stroke inside the rammer here, it does 3.1 inches of stroke and lift on here. We keep going down, our hydraulic fill is here, with our sight glass right below it. Actually have a drain plug behind your pickup handle behind here to drain it out if you need to change it or you do any other service work to it. Very easy to change our shoe off of here if we need to change it to get our metal plate off, we just need a rubber, or if we need to go down to that narrow size one. Accessibility on it is very nice and easy. Makes it easy to change, so it's fast. You keep going on your next project. That was a quick rundown on the Mikasa MTX60 HD by Multiquip. Make sure you check out all our other social media sites. Don't forget to like us and subscribe to everything.